Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Students at SQPs. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video because I won't be wasting much time on introducing. If you are new to the channel, just go and check out my previous videos. This is also a continuation from the last video. As you know that we solved the question from differentiation, the last one. This is also a very important question for you guys. I will just show you. I've already written the question. Yeah. So this is the question for you. So this is a very important question. We would also solve this question only in this video. So let's get started quickly. So as you can see, y is equal to e raised to power x square x plus sin x x. So you know, whenever you see variable to the power variable, what you do is you convert. You will write both of these individually, and you can use logarithmic expressions to solve it. So let's dive into it quickly. If I assume this to be u, and I assume this to be v. So we can write it as u is equal to e raised to power x sine square x and v is equal to sin x raised to power x. I know it's a pretty easy question, but it's really important as these questions are not for JEE mains, these are for your class 12 board examinations, the upcoming ones. So now what I'll do is, since I've written this like this, so now I'll differentiate both of them. So dy by dx, you know, we would add these u plus v, which would be d by dx of u plus v, right? It would be the sum of the differentiation of v, the whole y. I'm differentiating the whole expression as a whole. So dy by dx would be du by dx plus dv by dx. Now you mark this as your equation 1. We would put the values of the differentiation of both the both the ones at du by dx and dv by dx. So let's proceed with starting with du by dx. So I'll take u is equal to e raised to power sine square x. This is what we have taken, right? So if I take log on both sides, I'll not write it as it would waste time unnecessarily, but you have to write it in your examinations. Okay, you cannot just skip, as you might lose marks. So you can write log u is equal to x sine square x log e. I'm doing this because this can come down, right? When we use log, x sine square x would come down, that would become log e. So now when we differentiate this, this would be 1 by u, and then du by dx, this would differentiate, and then x would be dx by x, this would be 1 into sine square x plus d by dx of sine square x into x. We are using product rule. It's very important to stay focused, as you might end up doing some silly error. So we'll write 1 upon u du by dx is equal to 1 dot sine square x. Now what we'll do is sine square x, this would be 2 sine x cos x, and this x I'll write it in front here. Cool, यहाँ तक ठीक है? अब इतना हमने कर दिया है. Now what I'll do is du by dx, this u I'll transfer it there, which would be u times sine square x plus x sine, just a second, this would be x sine 2x so this is what we got, right? And now substitute the value of u, which was e raised to power x sine square x, and just write it as this only, sine square x plus x sine x 2x. This can be written as 2 sine x can be written as sine 2x, right? So I just converted it. I hope this is pretty basic. So now you just put it in a bracket and leave it. Let's go down. So now what we are doing, dv by dx, but we'll write v is equal to, what is v? It is sine x raised to the power x. Take log on both sides, x would come down, log of sine x. This is pretty easy, 1 upon v again, dv by dx. X would again become, using product rule, this would become, now since there's log here, so it would be log of sine x. First function into differentiation of second function. First function is x square, differentiation is what? 1 plus second function, that would be 1 upon sine x, and also sine x square would be cos x, right, into, sorry about that, and into x. Easy. Now dv by dx, take this v over there, which would be, I'll write the value of v directly, sine x raised to power x multiplied by log of sine x plus x cos, this would be cot x, x cot x. Done. Now we have found both the values and we are 95% done. Now this is the place where people generally get happy as if they have found the answer, so they'll just skip. But do remember, you had written an expression here, right? Let me show you. We had marked this as expression number 1, this one, right? Now you have to even substitute the value. Once you have put the value, then you are done. Okay, it's a very important step. So now adding these two, dv by dx and du upon dx, we would get, let me write it with a different color so it's clear, that would be dy upon dx is equals to e raised to the power x. Let me see what it was. Raised to power x, yep, e raised to power x, just a second, sine, sorry, this would be sine x sine square x into sine square x plus x sine 2x plus sine x raised to the power x, this is just written here, right, into x cot x plus log of sine x, and here we go. This is your answer. Satisfied? So this was it for this, guys. I hope you are liking my videos and obviously you're subscribed, and if you're not, then please do hit the red button in the bottom and subscribe. Till then, see ya, bye bye, and take care, and do not lose your focus. Bye.